Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I showed you guys the aviary. This is the inside portion of the aviary. So we have a bunch of lady Goulians in here along with 2 zebra finches. I'll try to get you guys a closer look at the birdies. They are so beautiful. So she laid a few eggs. No babies though. That's the newest member. So Cleveland at the Fish Corner did such an amazing job with this build. Everything here is DIY. And I'll show you guys the outside portion, and how we let them out is through this window. And then this right here is the outside portion of the aviary. The best part about this whole thing is the fact that we can enjoy this from inside the house, and excuse the glass stain, but this is inside of our sunroom. Excuse the background noise, they are doing some roofing next door. But just look at these beautiful birdies. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you like the aviary and the video.